Classification of organic compounds. So organic compounds are mainly classified into two types. One is acyclic compound, another one is cyclic compound. So organic compound, broadly they are classified into two types, acyclic or cyclic compound. Acyclic compounds are otherwise called open chain compound. They are called open chain compound. The cyclic compounds are otherwise called ring compound. Acyclic or open chain compound are otherwise called aliphatic compound, whereas cyclic compounds are otherwise called alicyclic compound. Open chain compound means they are the straight chain or branched chain compound, whereas cyclic compound means here the carbon atom they join together form a ring. Organic compounds are broadly classified into acyclic compound or cyclic compound. Cyclic compound is otherwise called open chain compound or aliphatic compound. So cyclic compounds are otherwise called ring compound or alicyclic compound. So acyclic compound, open chain compound or aliphatic compound means they are straight or branched chain or open chain compound, where cyclic compound means here the carbon atom join together form closed ring. Example for acyclic compound. This is the example, open chain compound. So it may be either straight CH3 CH2 CH CH3 CH3. It's a branched one. So acyclic compound or open chain compound means either straight or branched chain compound, whereas cyclic compound means closed chain compound. Here all the carbon chain is closed, no opening. So this cyclic compound or ring compound or alicyclic compound is further classified into two types. The cyclic compound is further classified into two types, that is homocyclic compound and hydrocyclic compound. Consider these two. Here this is a carbon, this is a carbon, this is a carbon. We studied in bond line structure. All these are carbon. This corner, everywhere carbon is present. But this ring is made up of carbon alone. But here on the ring oxygen atom is also present. So here the closed chain is made up of same type of carbon atom. But here the ring is made up of carbon, but also one of the corner contain oxygen. So the ring is made up of different atom, carbon and oxygen. Such cyclic compound is called hydrocyclic compound. This cyclic compound made up of a same type of atom is called homocyclic compound. So cyclic compounds are further classified into homocyclic and hydrocyclic compound. This homocyclic compound is further classified into alicyclic compound. Alicyclic compound means normal cyclic compound and aromatic compound. This aromatic compound means those compounds which obey aromaticity rule are called aromatic compound. These aromatic compound are otherwise called arenes. They are normally called arenes. So arenes indicate aromatic compounds. This aromatic compound having pleasant odor. Since they possess pleasant odor, they are called aroma. So based on that, they are called aromatic compound. So aromatic compound means the normally which we studied in our class is benzene. This is one of the common example for aromatic compound. Another one aromatic compound, this is called aniline. So benzene on the above we are having NH2 group. So if benzene ring contain NH2 group, then it is called aniline. This is the another one aromatic compound, it is called naphthalene. This is another one aromatic compound called tropolone. Benzene, aniline, naphthalene. So like that. This is called toluene. So all these contain benzene like structure. This is the benzene. So all these structure contain benzene like structure. But tropolone, if you are seeing, it does not having benzene like structure. So on this basis, these arenes are further classified into benzenoid compound and non-benzenoid compound. Aromatic compound are further classified into two types. Compound having benzene like structure, they are called benzenoid compound, and compound having no benzene like structure are called non-benzenoid compound. Example for non-benzenoid compound is tropolone. This is one of the aromatic compound which we are commonly studying, that is called benzene. This is another one, it is also aromatic compound. It is called furan. What is the basic difference between benzene and furan? If you are studying benzene, all the corners are made up of carbon alone. So here this corner is made up of carbon, but this corner is made up of oxygen. So the ring is made up of different atom here. Here the ring is made up of same type of atom, but both are aromatic. So this is called homocyclic aromatic compound. This is called hydrocyclic aromatic compound. So aromatic compound we are classifying in two different manner. One is compound containing benzene like structure, they are called benzenoid compound. Compound liking non-benzene like structure, that is called non-benzenoid compound. Same aromatic compound are further classified into homocyclic and hydrocyclic aromatic compound. So hydrocyclic aromatic compound, one of the example is furan. Suppose in this place S is present, then it is called thiopene. Suppose if S is present, this is called thiopene. In the benzene ring, if one of the corner is made up of nitrogen, then it is called pyridine. These are the some of the hydrocyclic aromatic compound. Example for hydrocyclic aromatic compound. That's all about the classification of organic compounds. In all the organic compound, a set of groups which is responsible for the property of that particular organic compound. Such groups are called functional group. So what are functional group? A group of atom which is responsible for the characteristic features of the compound is known as functional group. Example, see this CH3, CH2, CH2. Here also CH3, CH2, CH2. Both are same, but this is an alcohol, this is an aldehyde. So here a group of atom O and H is present. Here a group of atom CHO is present. Based on that, so because of the presence of this, it acts as an alcohol. So this acts as an aldehyde. This is the responsible factor for the characteristic features of this compound. So this is called functional group. So what is functional group? A group of atom responsible for the characteristic features of a particular compound is known as functional group. Organic compounds having same type of functional group are present in a particular sequence or group. That particular group is called homologous series. It's called homologous series. That means in organic chemistry, a sequence of compound with the same functional group. So when they are having same functional group, they are having similar characteristic features also. Such groups are called homologous series. Example for homologous series is alkanes. So in alkanes, all the compound having single bond. Alkenes, double bonded compound. Alkynes, triple bonded compound. Alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, like that. Organic compound contain lot of homologous series.